Python, ID, behavior in the interpreter. I came across this weird behavior which happens only in an interactive Python session, but not when I write a script and execute it. String is an immutable data type in Python, hence. Now, the weird part. I have seen that having a white space in the string causes this behavior. If I put this in a script and run it, the result is true in both cases. Would anyone have a clue about this? Thanks. Edit. Okay, the above question and answers give some ideas. Now here is another experiment. In this case the strings are definitely longer than a string, but are still having the same identifiers.
Many thanks to Ericsson for the corrections. This is because of a mechanism called interning in Python. Enter string in the table of interned strings and return the interned string, which is string itself or a copy. Interning strings is useful to gain a little performance on dictionary lookup if the keys in a dictionary are interned, and the lookup key is interned. The key comparisons, after hashing, can be done by a pointer compare instead of a string compare. Normally, the names used in Python programs are automatically interned, and the dictionaries used to hold module, class, or instance attributes have interned keys. Changed in version 2.3, interned strings are not immortal, like they used to be in Python 2.2 and before. You must keep a reference to the return value of intern around to benefit from it. Python will automatically intern short certain strings, one-letter strings, keywords, strings without spaces that have been assigned to increase lookup speed and comparison speed, e.g., dog is dog will be a pointer comparison instead of a full string comparison. However, automatic interning for all, longer, strings requires a lot more memory which is not always feasible, and thus they may not share the same identity which makes the results of ID different. For example, for integers, at least on my machine, Python will automatically intern up to 256 automatically. Update thanks to Ericsson. In this case the string is not interned because Python only interns strings without spaces, not because of the length as I instantly assumed, for example, ASCII letters, digits, and underscore. For more details, you can also refer to Alex Martelli's answer here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.